Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. See? Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make way go to the platform. Yes, I. So, a man commenting in the section, couple man comment, one of them say, we will get back to, can't wait for me to start talk back about my story them and thing like that. And I can't wait for this, and you know, another man I say, yeah, so that's why him start following me basically. So basically it's like the man them I say, you see the sides, the backstory them, the reason them for certain things will cause certain youth for flex certain way, or even cause I for flex certain way. It don't matter to them. Them don't want to know nothing about that. Them don't want to know the reason why. Them not consider the strategy or tactics or even I man use store them. You know, see, it's all about entertainment in a lot of cases. It's kind of insulting to the eye them intelligence, not to mine, I tell you. You know, see, you can't come and, you know, I tell man for entertain you or I ask man for entertainment. You know, not so life go rasta. Come out of yourself and ego. Think about other people and what it mean to other people. You know, see, because respectfully, you see, video like the one I'm going to show next mean a lot more to me than any one of my story them. Now, of course, he said that and about popularity, the channel you have to point out certain things that is being overlooked. And then we could think they might not being looked at in the manner by which we look at it. You know, see, a lot of man said do research and do this and quote that. I be a propaganda, every man's people spread propaganda have an ulterior motive why them do for them things. We see it have late, we see it regular, you know, in a whole heap of cases and things like that. You know, see. So more time, again, when you go out there and you regurgitate the stupidity or the lies them where a man want get cross, when you repeat them, you help make them into facts. You know, see it, because the more the story we get talked about, the most it becomes the truth. And if that makes sense. You know, see, so I'm on to run with the hype. I'm on try create a sort of a different view of looking at things other than because you can observe all the media and report and government politics and all them people construct them argument. They try to direct your thinking and your understanding of what they say down a certain path. You get what I say? Even when it's obvious it's not the way out there trying to project things are. You know, see it. So it's not a lot of things that them say that add up to me. And enough of the things that I mean try dig. It's the things that way conflict into I and I stand on them and try examine them some more, try spin them over and dig them out and point them out to some guy, make them guy know say, wait, what going on? So all this, you know, see? So we don't intend to come repeat when a guy said and push some guy agenda. See? So researching on them something, this is not journalism going over here, so Rasta. This is a common sense over here, so I ask people, wait, all that? I don't want a man come over here so come expect no high level CNN bumbleclad business or no BBC business, Rasta. Fuck that. You see, obviously a guy I go put on him defense in a document for you when you go research him defense, you see. And you come back come spit that out like a punk. Like you know, no mind for yourself. I don't do that. I ain't deal with that. Who want to do that, do that. When I'm on drop it, if you want to research it, go and go blood clot, research it, Rasta. Leave I alone. See? And I will drop the aspersion them from a guy character shady, we point that out. You know, see, yeah. You see, incident like this when I'm show now, is the reason why we can't all up in ourselves, because we never there have to try to promote ourselves or self-grandize or what we call it, yeah. You know, ego business. No, we not no star thing. What go on. We not glamorize a fucker. We not romanticize a gangster business. We don't know if we talk about them things that too tough without making it, without creating that aspect. Like, you know, see, and even the people them we receive it, it's like them a give back after indication. They like some glamorization of the whole thing. Them a lot of them. So really and truly, it kind of, you know, see it. Just let it be, Rasta. Let it be. Watch that video, yeah.
It's like the government are wait for some judgment to go on before them can do something, because it look like them love excitement. Come with that, me can say, because right now, it's very dangerous. Right now, so it's not named Courage Park Bridge again, you know. It's named Death Valley. Because everywhere you sit down there right now is death. When you stand up on the bridge, a ramp with their life. Trafficking class people in the crate, a ramp with their life. And the government to vote this man. This is not a politics business, Virgin. This is a bridge, you need a bridge.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Warmington. Yes, sir. William's calling back from the Observer.
Hello?
Yes, sir. William's calling back from the Jamaica Observer in Mandeville. You were driving this morning.
I'm sorry to them driving again. Tell us something. Is that the only bridge in Jamaica that needs replaced for the repair?
No, it is not. But I just want to get an
Is that the only
update.
bridge in Jamaica that needs repair or replacement? You called me about particular bridge?
I'm just seeking an update on the matter, Mr. Warmington.
I don't need to give you no update at all. I'm asking if that is the only bridge in Jamaica that needs replacement or repair. That's not the only one.
Right now, when rain fall, nobody can walk past down the scene. And I box over there so people have to go like a yam pack up or luggage and something to railway. People are run risk with their life to go to garden yard because they don't live over here. You get the thing I did, so it's embarrassing thing and the bag of remarks and railway not really gonna win. The thing need to be done right now. We want action, justice to be done and something, and then them take too long for your seat.
For when the bridge collapse, right? And when me go to St. Elizabeth, I go look for my daughter them, or my uncle. Me have to pay fear go way around Mandeville. It cost me 3,000 hard. Go and come, right? And all the teachers them way have come from St. Elizabeth, left Balaclava and so. Have to drive round.
I regularly do video like them, yeah. And point out issues like them, I see them. You see, now they hear the point and hear the whole struggle and the whole thing in the video. You know, I expound upon it for a little bit. You see, you hear the level with which politicians deal with the care and the callousness, you see, how reprehensible them see, what you call it here, consequence. You can't ask them boy nothing. You know, see, you can't ask them boy if you go do them job. Them boy get bad mind and corrupt and a badness and a insult and a cheat you like so well then. Like the worst thing you ever do. You don't hear the bumble attitude. Oh, we can't avoid and ignore things like them and talk about yourself. What kind of dirty ego them there? No, poor people will live somewhere else that needs a bridge. And them thing you have to talk about. This, alright. Them thing is the subjects that matters to I and I. Them thing. You see, now they have to entertain a one Rasta. If you don't like what go on today, just wait one day till you see the headline where something where you are look for. Cause we don't observe, you get what I say, we not do that. Please, not do that again, Rasta. You see, cause the money not there, so you know. No money not there, so. And who don't know that? I just say, God. A lot of who have anything go on. You know, so I don't know about who. I mean, also the money in this to me. This is a black struggle may fight, and the status quo is against that. Nobody in any authority or with any influence or any source, resource we could have add and apply. Nah, not interested in a black struggle. Black struggle is like an abomination. It's like, exists. It's like to some people, I like a struggle, hey, that is like, that's law. That is how it's supposed to be. In the mind of most people, Rasta. And them things that we observe in our earth, so I don't intend for, see, I'm complacent and going like say, I'm not find myself in a position that needs digging out of. Yeah. See, nobody feel like Simon I do this for the benefits of the profit where white supremacists took YouTube. I go give me. Not them, you're mad. All the people that were dead and think like that or something like that are going over here so Rasta sick. This is how far beyond we are as a people. How unrecognizing we are of the issues that affect us and hold us back these days. The issues that set us back. You see? A lot of people know and unrepentantly accept it, and accept the status quo and know say, that we this. Just like I say, anything where we get we deserve because of we this. This is how God set it. Even Bob Marley, I hear blood clot say it one time in a big popular interview where I say, Haman Japheth this and that. Haman Japheth and go with them. Yeah, man. You see it? This is politics, Rasta. This now have nothing to do with God. And as long as we there disunited and a pull one side like either crab in a barrel or draw down one another happily. And when a man a fall, we a smile with stars in our eye. I watch him a fall and go down. Because of that we love. Only so we can feel good about ourselves, Rasta. You see it? No disrespect, but Rasta, we need an awakening. We need a reckoning. You see it? It's unacceptable, Rasta. You see things like them here go on, and dirty politician boy bad up himself when people are asked the consequence and things like that. Somebody need to adjust them things and approach them things are more important. I don't want a man that there with a political bumbleclot bias one side, might like you on one hand for some things where you say, but you don't like when you're attacking bumbleclot corrupt political party. I don't need you over here so now, no, fuck off. No, I don't need you over here so now. Like, we're not in a that, we're not there for please no little dirty boy. You don't see it? A dirty boy business them there. From the truth there, from it across the board. We never vote yet, No politician can come say them ever get my blood clot support of Jamaica, As much as a rock fort I come from. No, man. You don't see it? None of them. I can't say I owe them no favor. Or them owe me none. Not like that, Rasta. You don't see it? Yeah. When certain things happen, man, it needs to be pointed out to a start and the benefit and the interest of our people. I mean, notice a beer them thing they are going these days, yeah. You know, see it? Some boy I work blatantly for them political party and them belly, and them not like no truth. Them not like no consequence regarding them party. You know, if you ask no question about them party, everything or anything with them party do is good. Rasta, this is a very political platform as well. Even though it's not personally aligned to none, the things that hold us back, the people them who affect us the most in our day-to-day Rasta, the people that will hold us back the most are we politicians, them in Jamaica, we know that. You see it? There is no two way about that. So if we not confront them and ask the consequence and things like that, Rasta, we just go down in our barrel. And any man with a pie so we don't like that and can't stand that, take a blood clot, plain, and chuck off. You know see it? Yeah. Don't think so you come over here so and come try manipulate or get man. No. If you don't like it, just go. Because we don't like you neither, bumbo clot. But even if you smile with me, and if you buy with something and I give you something, we don't like you neither, Rasta. Because we don't deal with them partial corruption there. Partiality and corruption. I mean, because you are benefit from a party we're supposed to benefit a nation and non-inactive, do nothing. But because your belly I get food, you comfortable with it and you don't want it come for no criticism or answer to no consequence whatsoever. And don't do that. And next time a man say that, I'll tell him about him party. Yeah. Don't bumbo clot do that, Rasta. Don't do that. Me no business a own either, Don't do that. No disrespect, but don't do that. You know, see it? We have poor people we are dealing. I'm under there, it them not affect I. You know, see it? But poor people we are dealing with, Rasta, watch there. Watch there. How if they talk about things of the past when them things are the future? About a year now that blood clot happening, you know. People are get draw across in a crate pan rope, you know. And when people call and ask a dirty politician, but all them, me say, I know. And them things again make me hate gunman more and more every day. I bumble all them there, batty boy them there, be a batty blood clot boy walk pan down with gun down and that. Mad. You don't have no mother, you don't have no sister, you don't have no brother, you don't have nothing except for yourself. Be a batty bumbo clot boy. When you're ready, you can't kill me when you don't see me. No bumbo clot, box food killer. You can't do what you want. One life, man, have a man, I love the life anyway. Can't be a pussy old man if you live monks. You don't see it. You don't see it every day. With people like Uno and the way Uno act. You know, say it's a pussy whole life we live, man. How to love this? Who can love this and appreciate this? Do what you want, do man, and a nasty, sick, twisted, bumbo clot, you know, coming like a dog to no own family, Rasta. You know, see it? Yes, Rasta. You know, go fire gunshots randomly upon poor people in a football, play football, try enjoy themselves. And things like them are gone amongst Uno for you long and none of Uno no find. Can't come up with that. Hey, you know go. You know move in a bumbo clot media crap, press button on a robot. You know see it? You know a GM gunman. Yeah. That one is GM blood clot gunman. You know think you don't know nothing about badness. So for someone who never see not even you hear me say. You see, even the gunshot them we are bust man them people up on the football field, never never dip on the receiving end of it like that. Someone always just over the side where the heater come from. You know see it? Yeah. No for never over the receiving end of them sort of thing, Rasta. You know see it? We not apologize, we not appreciate, we not bow and beg nobody no friend neither. Because we not soft like that. We done enough. You know see it? We done enough. Oh vex. Oh, want vex, oh, want blood clot the way they want to do it. The whole of Uno a pariah. The whole of Uno is a set of vulture. You know, see? If you slung down there and kill poor people as poor people, whoop them out. And then them bumbo clot thing are going right next door to in Jamaica today where China build a road down there so. And this are going right. Hey, gunman, Uno clown. Mad gun clown. We not beg no bumbo clot friend come out and you talk and avoid certain boy. Some boy think I fear them fear. Create fear. Just, hey, move no bumbo clot and go. You see, you want some serious man who put gunshot pound make you see a gunshot put pan people. No disrespect. But you need a counter. You need a counter reaction force to take on them boy. I mean, you know, say poor people are suffering and struggle. And politicians on the other hand. It come like them, the people them backstein between the gunman and the politician them Rasta. You know, say, backstein. Because merciless business, them thing are Jano, Rastafari. And I give thanks.